back to my channel. This video is gonna be the finale for my 18 in 2018. I have definitely finished over 18 products. I have actually finished 21 products. I have 2 declutters, which we'll talk about today, and 2 products that are definitely gonna be done before the end of 2018. I just needed to film this video and upload it and be done with it, but they will be, the other 2 products will be in my year-long makeup empties, which if you're interested in, please subscribe to my channel so you don't miss out that video. And if you like empties, panning videos, give this video a big thumbs up. Let's get into the products that I finished since last update, and then we'll do a recap of all the products that I finished this year except one of them because I got rid of it at some point. And then we'll talk about maybe some goals for 2019. Okay, the first product that I finished is Too Faced Born This Way foundation. It took me a long time to finish this foundation. I do have a lot of foundations and I tried to rotate through them, but this was kind of like the reliable foundation. So every time I would go on travel or anything, I would take it. And for the last trip that I went on, I didn't have this one. I kind of felt weird. So this guy is gone. I did use a spatula and I scraped up as much as I could from the container. Like I opened it and scraped it, so it's gone. So that would have been item number 18. Item number 19 is Revolution Makeup Revolution Conceal and Define Concealer. I think this was not an empty yet last update, but it was so close to it. This guy's gone. I took out this the stopper and I scraped as much as I could, but for some reason this concealer like did not scrape as nicely as other concealers do because there's still like staining on the container. Regardless, I cannot get anything out of this. This guy is gone. Becca Shimmering Skin Perfector Spotlight in Opal. Yeah, I used the spatula for this guy as well, and I had taken out the stopper, so I scooped every little bit out. It's gone. Urban Decay 24/7 Glide On Eye Pencil. I tried to use this guy today, and I just could not sharpen it because the silver part kept rotating and the black wouldn't rotate, so it's gone. Like this is yeah, probably could have been able to sharpen it one more time, but like I could not get a grip on it for it to twist in the sharpener. I tried. And the 2 declutters that I have are the Too Faced Perfect Eye eyeliners. This guy had went bad, dried out, like the black part, the pencil thing had separated from the wooden part, so it's definitely dried out. I was not getting a really nice glide with it, so I went ahead and decluttered this guy. And then the last one is the Bite Beauty Amuse Bouche lipstick in Gazpacho. I'm so close to finishing this guy, but the texture has definitely changed. It's very gritty now. It's not smooth. It doesn't glide on very nicely. You can definitely tell it's gritty. I'll try my best to show if it's, you know, maybe you'll be able to see it. It is super gritty, and you can see like the texture on the lipstick itself. So I decided it's time. This guy was brand new when I started the project, so I'm really happy. Definitely got my money's worth out of this guy. I know it's a little bit over a year old because I bought it during Sephora's VIP sale last November. Now let's go ahead and talk about the products that I'm really close and I think I can finish within the next 2 weeks. The first one is Laura Geller Spackle Hydrating Moisturizing Under Makeup Primer. I think I have 1 or 2 uses left in this product. It's getting to the point where I have to do like this kind of thing to get anything out. So it's almost there, just any day now. Urban Decay De-Slick Makeup Setting Spray Oil Control. I am currently at the bottom black line, so not a whole lot left. Definitely gonna be gone in 2 weeks. What's the date? Today's the 17th? 17? 18? So it'll definitely be gone before the end of 2018. It will definitely be in my 2018 year empties. Now let's talk about all of the products that I finished so far in this project. Like I said, I finished 21. 2 declutters, 2 almost out, so total of 25, not bad. Tristique lip crayon, I want to say this guy was in Florence Fig, the shade. It's completely empty. I finished this guy. LA Girls Shady Slim Brow Pencil, Anastasia Brow Wiz, MAC Eyebrows in Spiked, IT Cosmetics No Tug Waterproof Gel Eyeliner, Maybelline Fit Me Concealer, Too Faced Born This Way Concealer, Hard Candy Longwear Sheer Envy Setting Spray, Makeup Forever Mist and Fix, Bare Minerals Loose Blush in Vintage Peach, which I miss tremendously, Becca Shimmering Skin Perfector Pressed in Opal, Laura Mercier Translucent Setting Powder, Besame Brightening Vanilla Powder, which I do use to mix custom foundations, so that's why the container is still being used, but the product is gone. Besame Brightening Violet Powder, Hourglass Ambient Powder in Luminous Light, and Tarte Park Avenue Princess Amazonian Clay Waterproof Bronzer. The other product that I did finish and I did get rid of the packaging was the IT Cosmetics Confidence in a Cream, like the actual moisturizer. I got rid of the packaging because it wasn't makeup. I didn't think about it that I'm going to have to do a finale for this video. So I'm sorry, that guy is gone. Now let's talk about the other 4 products that I had in this project that I wanted to get more work on them, but I knew I was not going to be able to finish them, but I just wanted to make some progress on them. One of them I actually did hit pan on, and that's the Laura Geller Baked Blush and Brighten in Honeysuckle. It is a baked product, so it is on a clay, you know, baked on a clay plate. And I hit side pan all the way over here. It's very, very little, but it is pan. Hopefully it shows up because I worked hard on it. I still have AOA Studio Perfect Setting Powder in Brightening. I just wanted to get some work on this product. I kind of stopped using it because I do really like it and I have other powders in my collection. Maybe these products will be in a project in 2019. I still don't know if I should do a 19 in 2019 or what. I do have the Vasante Power Oils Lip Gloss. I do have a little bit of bubble at the bottom, so it's not, I don't think it has too much product left. I really enjoyed this lip gloss. It's very hydrating and I really like the color. And the last product that I was working on trying to make as much progress as possible was Laura Geller the Baked Gelato Swirl Illuminator, and the shade is Ballerina. I've definitely made some progress. You can see in the middle kind of like smooth that a little bit, and I love this highlighter. So there you have it. This is my update or my finale for 18 in 2018. Let me know what you guys think. Should I roll in those 4 products into 19 in 2019? Should I roll them into other panning projects? I still haven't decided. I know I'm lagging and 2019 is almost here, so I don't know what to do. Again, if you enjoyed this video, please give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you on my next one. Bye!